Hi kids, this is Josh at Random. Splat the Cat is back with Splat and a New Baby by Rob Scotton. Splat's eyes widened and his mouth fell open when his mom told him the news.
Soon, Splat, there's going to be a new baby in the house.
This is fantastic news, cheered Splat. And that means there's a lot to do. I'm going to need a little help. Dad! Splat decorated the nursery. Dad helped a little. Splat fetched his old crib from the basement. Dad helped a little. Dad had been a big help. Good job, Dad. Later, Splat was thinking up more things to do when his dad said,
Splat, Mom will be home soon with a baby.
But before Dad could finish what he was saying, the front gate squeaked open. Wow, the new baby's here! Cried Splat. Splat leapt from his room, raced across the landing, slid down the stair rail, skidded across the hall, and stopped by the front door. Oops. Splat turned the latch and opened the door. He looked up at his mom and smiled. He looked down at the new baby and... Yikes! Splat spun around, skidded across the hall, slid up the stair rail, raced across the landing, leapt into his room, and shut the door with a slam. Splat couldn't believe what he'd seen. The new baby is a crocodile. How did that happen? He'll eat us all up. Urgle.
His name is Urgle, said Splat's dad, and he's staying with us while his mom is away on a trip. And I promise he won't eat us all up. Urgle doesn't have any brothers and sisters, Dad explained. Maybe you could treat Urgle like your own little brother.
Splat thought for a while. It's impossible. Or is it? Maybe. And then he said, I'll do my best. Mom, since Urgle doesn't have any brothers or sisters, can I be his big brother?
That's a great idea,
said his mom. Urgle.
Maybe you could help Urgle at mealtimes,
I'll do my best.
bath times,
I'll do my best.
bedtimes,
I'll do my best.
diaper changing times.
Urgle. Urgle. Splat introduced himself. Hello, Urgle. I'm Splat, and I'm going to be your big brother. Urgle. Over the next few days, at mealtimes, Splat did his best. Urgle. At bath times, Urgle. Splat did his best. Urgle, Urgle. And at diaper changing times, Urgle. Even then, Splat did his best. Splat especially loved bedtime, when he read all his favorite stories to Urgle. Urgle. All too soon, it was time for Urgle to go home. Urgle. I'll visit whenever I can, said Splat. Bye, Urgle. Tap, tap, tap.
Splat, you've been an amazing big brother,
said his mom. And when will I be a big brother again? Asked Splat.
One day soon,
said his mom.
One day very soon.
The end. Thank you all so much for following along. If you like this and other read-alongs, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks, and have a splat-tastic day.